Hello Early On families! I hope you are all doing well. Thank you for watching our Fun at Home episode number 2. My name is Mais. I am an Early Childhood Educator working at Early On Luminous Community Services. In this episode, we are going to learn how to do 3 activities by using recycled water bottles, paper plates, and paper towel rolls. Let's start! What materials we will need for this activity recycled ring toss game? We need empty shoe box or any cardboard box you have at home, and we need craft wrapping paper. I have 2 kinds of craft wrapping paper. I have this, or if you want, you have the plain. If you have the plain one, is working too. And we need tape, paper towel roll, and hot glue gun and hot glue. Or if you don't have, you can use just the tape. And we need paper plates, 3 paper plates, and scissors. Now, what are the instructions for making a recycled ring toss game? Step 1, make sure the shoes box or the cardboard box is empty, and wrap it with the wrapping paper. I'm going to use this holiday wrapping paper for a ring toss game. So I already have ready this shoe box wrapped with holiday wrapping paper. So now what is the step 2? We need to take the empty paper towel roll and use the scissor to cut slits in the bottom of the paper towel roll, and approximately for a quarter long inch. Cut them all the way around the bottom of the roll, like this. So here another thing, it's optional. You can dye this paper towel roll, or you can put stickers and decorate it with different materials. Step 3, gently you are going to fold the slits on the bottom of the paper towel roll outward like this, and this will form a base, which makes it easier to glue the paper towel roll to the shoebox. So I am going to use this red colored paper towel roll, and I already cut it like this. So you can form it like this. So now you are going to tape or hot glue the paper towel roll to the middle of the shoebox. The hot glue forms a sturdy bond and makes it the ring toss sturdy. So I'm going to do it like this. So as I mentioned, if you don't have a glue gun, you can just use the tape. You leave it for a little bit to dry, like this. So step 5, finally, we are going to cut the center of the paper plates. I will use just 3 paper plates, and the paper plates with centers removed are the rings in this recycled ring toss game. And feel free, if you like, to decorate also the rings in any way you like or leave them plain. Like this. I already cut them from the center by using the scissor. Step 6. Now your recycled ring toss game is ready to play. Have your kid stand 1 meter far and see how many rings he can toss onto the paper towel tube. Let's play. So now we are going to start to play. So what we can do, we can tape the tape on the ground like this, and your child can stand beside the tape far 1 meter from the shoebox, and you can give your child 3 rings to start playing. Let's start the fun. 1, yay! 2, 2. So I got just 2 out of 3. That's For this activity, paper towel tube marble run, we are going to use paper towel rolls, and I cut some of them in different sizes, and we need the tape, we need marbles or some rolling balls, and we need ball or basket. For this activity, just make sure for the toddlers that the balls that you have at home, they are safe for them to use. Now let's try the activity. So what we need to do here, first we have to find some clear wall space and set your marble run up on an empty wall or large window or sliding glass door. Here I found some wall space. I taped the highest tube to a spot that the child could easily reach and kept on taping rolls. If you wanted to make a marble run work, it's best to test it as you go. Marbles balls move fast and like to fly right out of the tubes if they are not positioned to catch speedy marbles. I tested the sections of marble run a few times to work out the angles and distances. Really, this activity is fabulous math and physical science fun game for your children. Let's try it together. Here, and let's try the second ball, and you can try different sizes. The next activity, it's water bottle bowling. Materials we need for this activity, I am going to use 6 water bottles, but it is up to you. You can use 10 or 12 or how many you have. And colorful construction papers, tape, and glue gun and hot glue, scissors, ball, and markers. So how we can do this activity? First we take the water bottle and cut this paper like this. Move it. Next we cut the paper about 10 centimeters and put it around the center of the water bottle like this. Then you can use the tape and tape it from behind like this. And take another construction paper and write the number. For example, I'm going to write number 1. then you glue this paper on the center of the other construction paper. I prepared the other water bottles. Now we have 6 water bottles are ready. You repeat these steps for all the water bottles and then you are ready to play. Here is the setup of bowling activity. As you can see, I taped the tape on the ground and the bowler can just stand by the line and have the bowler roll the ball toward the bottles, and then you count how many bottles are knocked down. Let's start the fun. Wow, great job, Mary. That was awesome. So you knocked all the 6 water bottles. That's awesome.